In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image into any shape in LibreOffice. To get started, open LibreOffice and go into a document or workspace where you want to place your image. This method works by using a shape as a container for the picture, which is a simple and effective way to create custom-shaped image crops without needing a separate design tool. Once LibreOffice is open, look at the top toolbar and find the basic shapes icon. Click it to open the shape options, then choose the shape you want to use. This can be something simple like a circle, rectangle, or triangle, or a more decorative shape depending on the result you want. After selecting the shape, click and drag on the canvas to draw it. When the size looks right, release your mouse. If the shape is not perfect on the first try, don't worry, because you can always resize or reposition it later. Next, right-click on the shape you just created and select Area from the menu. This opens a settings window where you can control how the inside of the shape is filled. In that pop-up window, click on the image option. From there, you can choose an image from LibreOffice's built-in image library, or use the add or import option to bring in your own image from your computer. After you select the image, LibreOffice will prepare it to be used as the fill inside that shape. This is what creates the effect of cropping the image into the outline you chose. It's a helpful trick if you want your visuals to look cleaner, more stylized, or better matched to the layout of your document or presentation. Once everything looks good, click OK. LibreOffice will apply the image to the shape, and your picture will now appear cropped into that specific form. And that's it. You've successfully turned a regular image into a custom-shaped graphic in LibreOffice. If needed, you can continue adjusting the shape size or placement to improve the final look. This technique is especially useful for presentations, flyers, posters, or any project where you want images to feel more polished and visually interesting.